Do you think that teaching your dog advanced tricks is something for a professional? Then get ready, because in the next few minutes you're going to see that even a beginner can turn their dog into a real showman. Stay with me until the end, because at the end I'm going to show you how to put together a routine of tricks that will blow everyone's mind, including your uncle who thinks dogs are only good for barking. First of all, let me guess, your dog already knows how to sit. Sort of. Sometimes he obeys, sometimes he pretends he didn't even hear, right? Just comment down here with the word yes if you've ever struggled to teach your dog the basics. But look, you don't need to be a trainer to teach advanced tricks. You just need 3 things: repetition, patience, and fun. And don't skip the video, because each trick you learn here depends on the previous one. If you skip, you'll get bogged down. Trick 1. High five. We start with a classic, the famous high five. And look out! In the next trick I'm going to show you a command that looks difficult, but is so simple that even lazy dogs can learn it. Step by step. 1. Sit the dog. 2. Show the treat in your closed hand. 3. Bring your hand up to the paw. 4. When it touches, say paw or high five and reward it. 5. Repeat until he understands, and that's it. You can go around hitting people's hands. Tag us on social media when you get this trick. We're reposting the most creative videos here on the channel. Trick 2. Roll. Now for an impressive one, the rollover. 1. Lay the dog down. 2. Take the treat from his nose to his shoulder. 3. It will turn over naturally. 4. Say, roll over, and reward. 5. Repeat and celebrate each success. If you think that's amazing, wait until you see the next trick, the bang trick, which makes your dog fall to the ground as if it had been shot. It's hilarious, and I'll show you in a minute. Trick 3. Play dead, bang. This trick is a crowd favorite. Some people teach it just to post it on social media. 1. Start with him lying down. 2. Use the same roll motion, but stop halfway. 3. Say, bang, and point with your finger. 4. When it lands on its side, reward it. 5. Repeat until it's a little dog theater. What do you think is funnier, a dog that gives its paw or one that pretends to be dead? Let's see which trick wins in the comments. Trick 4. Spin. Now it's time to put some rhythm into this story. 1. With the dog standing up, bring the treat close to its snout. 2. Rotate your hand in a circle. 3. When he completes the spin, say, spin, and reward him. And hold on, because at the end I'm going to show you how to put all these tricks together in a sequence that looks like magic. It's the grand finale, and you don't want to miss it. Bonus trick: combining commands. Now for the cat's leap, or rather the dog's. Idea: make him roll over, then play dead, get up and do a high five. Or, high five plus spin plus sit. If you want me to make a video with ready-made routines for you to follow with your dog, comment routine below and I'll prepare a special one just for that. Golden tips to fix everything. Short, positive workouts work best. Always end with a party, a treat, praise, affection. If the dog stalls, don't fight. Pause and come back later. Each dog has its own time. Don't compare yours with the one in the video. Did you like these tips? Then subscribe now, because every week I bring you new tricks, behavioral tips, and curiosities that will change your relationship with your pet. If you've made it this far, congratulations. It shows that you are committed to your dog's well-being and development. And that's rare. So don't leave without leaving a like, commenting on which trick surprised you the most, and, of course, clicking the subscribe button. Oh, and turn on the little bell, otherwise YouTube will hide the next videos from you, and then neither I nor your dog will forgive you. See you in the next video. Get training and show the world what your dog is capable of.